How's it going, ladies and gents? You know who I am, but you don't know that I got a microphone. Or you do. You can probably tell by the audio. Anyway, we were on the GoPro Hero 4 Black today, and we got the microphone. So, this video should be a lot better than the other videos. And also, I was out riding earlier filming with this, just trying to troubleshoot where I should put the mic and everything. And I got sunburnt, look at that. I don't know if you'll be able to tell. You can probably tell, it's pretty bad. Look at, you see that? I got sunburnt, just riding around for like 3 hours. Right now we're on our way to go meet up with Bonar Garage, and we're just gonna go see if we can get into some shenanigans. What else do you want from me? I had a video completely edited and ready to go. It was about 8.5, 9-minute video with Upbeat and Bonar Garage and all these other people just out riding in the streets. And it was a really good video. And then as soon as I was getting ready to throw background music on and export it or render the clip, the card formatted itself and I lost it all. I'm hoping that the audio and video quality is a lot better for you guys now. I don't have the quietest helmet. You're still gonna hear some wind noise, but hopefully it's bearable. Hit the jump. Also, the wind noise should be getting better in the next couple of days again, because I got a different mount, a different chin mount coming in, and I should be able to put the chin curtain back on with the new mount. Right now, I'm not able to put the chin curtain on with the mount that I'm using, so it's letting air get under the helmet into the mic. So the new mount shouldn't allow that, and it should block out a little bit more wind, so the audio should be a little clearer. And I'll cut to you whenever we get him. Can I let you in on a secret? I'm not really his friend. He might watch this video, so he might see this, but I mean, I'm not really his friend, so whatever. Filled up yesterday at work.
Look at that Gixxer 600.
This is CBR 500.
I wish I had the bike a little bigger. I have a Grom.
Oh hell yeah, dude!
Yeah, we love Grom.
Hey, can I let you in on a little secret?
Yeah.
I don't really like that guy. See ya! Bro, I'm not gonna see that guy around. Come on, bro, let me squeeze your titty. Dude, this guy won't even let me squeeze his titty. I mean, what's up with that? I'm gonna grab your freaking titty! Alright. Did it! That's illegal!
It's fraud.
Nuh-uh. It's illegal and it feels like the devil. Thanks. That Camaro, I don't appreciate that, okay? I don't appreciate these pony cars revving at me. I think it's this one. This one? Yeah, maybe, yeah. Hey, do you think you're ready for this?
I'm ready.
Okay. Alright, see you, pal. Yeah, so earlier, let me clear the air on this, guys. Earlier, this man, Gixxer Bra, hits me up, or I hit him up. I'm like, you going to the lot today? He said yes. I show up to the lot. He's not there. He told me that he was gone and he had to go do something real quick. I was there for an hour to an hour and a half. The man never showed. You hit the stairs. Okay, well, quick intermission for that sick trick. But this guy tells me that he's gonna be at the lot. He's like, I'll be right, I gotta go do something, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm there for an hour to an hour and a half. My chain is slipping. I decided, you know what? This man, my coach, lied to me. He's not showing up.
Oh, your coach lied to you.
Gixxer coach lied to me. So I went home and tightened my chain, got some food, met up with the other Gixxer guy,
That's me, guys. That's me.
and I've been out riding with him. And then he has the audacity to swipe up on my story on Snapchat and tell me he never saw me. No. Listen here, buddy. I'm about to unsub from you, okay? That's it, dude. I gotta clear my mind. That's probably gonna be it for the video.
Okay.
If you liked, like and subscribe.
I'm liking
Hey, like and subscribe. This is a threat. And you better have a good one.
it. I try.
You better.
I'll try.
You better have a
Okay,
good
I
one.
will. I will.
You too.